Hello students, very warm welcome to all. My name is Tirupati Pachiyappan, your maths teacher. I hope you all are safe and happy with your family. This year, I'm going to take sixth standard mathematics. Okay, so last year we talked about uh, fourth and fifth maths. So this year I am going to take sixth standard mathematics. So in this first chapter, we are going to discuss and we will work out first chapter, knowing our numbers. Okay. So knowing our numbers, I will give brief introduction later on. First of all, our aim, our objective is, if you read this chapter after completion, the first chapter, after completion of first chapter, you may know, I will list some things, you can understand these things. First of all, we are going to discuss about introduction. So this is a class 6 mathematics, chapter 1. The chapter title is knowing our numbers. The first one, we are going to talk about our introduction. So what is knowing our what is our numbers, what are the numbers we are use. Okay, then what is the main role of numbers in our daily life. So we are I'm going to give some introduction. Then second one, comparing numbers. So in this year, you are 6th standard, we are going to compare big number, large numbers. Okay, then how many numbers can you make? In this section, we will see, if we will take some 2-3 digit numbers, 4 digit number, 5 digit number, we will create a new numbers. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about that. Then shifting digits. If you have any number, if you shift any digits, we will create a new digits. So shifting digits. Then in this year, introducing 10,000. Already we talk about 9,999. So in this year, you are going to learn 10,000. Then revising place value. We will revise the place value chart. Last year we learned place value table. In this year also we are revising that. Then again introducing 1 lakh. So 1 lakh we are going to introducing 1 lakh number, big number. Then large number, we are going to read and write and practicing large number, and reading and writing large numbers. Okay. Next, 1.3, large number in practice. Okay, we will practice large numbers. Okay. Then 1.3.1, estimation. So estimation means we are going to rounding the nearest 10, 100,000. Previous class you already learned rounding the numbers for small numbers, but in this year you are going to estimate the some big numbers. So nearest tens, nearest 100,000s. Okay. Then you are going to practice estimating outcomes of number in situations. Okay. Okay. Next section, 1.3.6, to estimate sum or difference. Okay. Then 1.3.7, to estimate products. We will discuss about products. Okay. Then 1.4, using brackets. So how to use brackets in your math, some mathematics. Okay. Then 1.4.1, expanding brackets. Then last one, we will discuss Roman numerals. Okay students, we will discuss the chapter 1, knowing our numbers. Sections I show you. So these all the sections coming our videos, we will discuss one by one. So in this time, I want to say something to you. Last year, many of you not attend the not do properly homework, not attend the test. Okay, so this year, uh, please regularly attend my class and see my video. Please properly attend, do your exercise work. I will give some homework. Okay, do properly and regularly. Very important. Attend regularly my class. Then only you can understand. Okay, because you are a sixth standard. So it is very important. You might have to learn mathematics is very important. Maths is a very important role in everyone life. So please, I will give some homework and exercise work, whatever. Do properly and regularly attend my classes. It's very important. I'm telling you, it's a humble request to all of you. So thank you, students. In coming videos, we will see our what we discuss in the titles. We will discuss one by one. And thank you.